everybody, welcome back to the Mojo Packs. Today we are opening 2025 Bowman. Cut it.
Megaboxes.
Megaboxes.
You don't need to cut it. You're good.
Okay, so let me catch you up here. So, if you're watching this video right now, this is part 2. And you go back, go onto our channel, go to the next one, and you'll see episode 1. This is episode 2. So, last episode we opened all the normal packs. And today, now we're opening the blue packs. So, top of the blue ones, these are the best ones out of all of them. So we're going to get repping. And hope you hit the subscribe button. That would be really helpful. And here goes the first pack of blueies. Stop. Oh my god. Take them.
Okay, I'm going to just hit you up with what he opened. Hyung Sik Jang, and then you can do the rest. You can look at the rest. Bowman first. All right. Walker Janier. Okay. Then we got a Walker Jenkins prospect card. All right.
MVP.
VIP Walker
VIP.
Jenkins. VIP Walker Jenkins.
Yeah, I'll take that.
And then what else do you got?
I'll take that one.
Brooks Lee, near mint, rookie card. All right. We got a Nick Kurtz. Nick Kurtz. Prospect card. And then we got a Junior Caminero. And we got a Juan Soto. Ooh, this is like a die cut. This is Thomas Sagasi. Thomas Sagasi die cut. And then last but not least, we have
Womp womp.
Bowman first, Eduardo Quintero.
Last 2 packs. Aaron Judge.
All right, there's an Aaron Judge Mojo.
I'll take that one. Good player.
There you go.
Alright.
Who else we got, buddy? Who else we got? Anybody good?
James Wood.
Another James Wood. James Wood rookie card.
That isn't our. That's our first James Wood.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh. Who else we got?
This pack is golden. I'm just saying.
Okay, who else you got? Who's
Ronald
this?
Acuna
Ronald
Jr.
Acuna Jr.
Can't
That's
get
a
better
good.
than that.
Nope. Can't get any better than that. You hide him one on me.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got Jose Ramirez. Mojo.
Good. Also.
Pretty
Oh
awesome.
my god, this chart is
And then who
so
else?
good. This is so good. And we're also looking for Mike Trout and Bobby Witt, FYI. And we already got one of those. Mike Trout.
Boy, Mike Trout, Mojo Refractor. There we go. Good job.
Mojo.
1 pack to go, right, Dean?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Here's your Mike Trout Mojo.
I'll move you out of the way.
Last pack.
FYI, he's my favorite player, Mike Trout.
Heck yeah. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with that. We have one more slot. Who's going to take it?
Who's going to take the last slot? Jackson Churio. Okay. Who else you got?
Vladdy. Hold on
Vladdy.
to the other side because you don't know who's going to take the last slot.
Vladdy Guerrero Jr.
You might take the last slot. And we'll put him to the side.
Put him to the
Guess
side,
we
buddy.
need
You
it.
got it. Who else do we got? Slade Caldwell, Bowman first. He is a first-round pick, 29th overall for the Arizona Diamondbacks. And then who else do we got? We got a Rhett Lauer rookie card. And last but not least,
We have a die cut.
a die cut of Kobe Mayo.
Vladdy takes the slot.
Vladdy takes the lead. All right, so that was our Mojo packs.
And if you are still watching this video and you already watched the first one, thank you very much for watching the first one. And most of all, please subscribe. Bye.